Today you are going to learn how to turn this into this. Step 1, wash your hands. Now preheat your oven to 350. Now it's time to make our cake. You can use a cake mix like the one I'm using, or you can use your favorite recipe. Now it is time to mix it up. So I'm gonna open up this, and now I am going to pour it in, and boom. Now I'm gonna pour my water and oil in, and I'm doing the amount that it says on the box. Now I'm going to put in the egg whites. So, whoa. Whoa! Oh no.
It's okay.
It just fell in. How do I get it out? Can I just get it out with a spoon?
Yeah, just don't pop it. Nice. Uh-oh.
I need somewhere to
Here,
put it.
put it in the other dish there.
No, stop going back in. Say! Stop it. And it popped.
Okay, stop. I'll help.
My mom helped me get most of the egg yolk out, and now I will pour it in. Okay. Time to mix. Whoa. Now you are going to divide your cake batter into 6 different bowls. Then you're gonna dye it into the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. I don't have orange, so I'm gonna mix yellow and red to make my orange. Here are all 6 colors, all ready and dyed. Malachi! Now I'm going to spray the pans and put the 6 different cake batters into 6 different pan thingies. My hands are super dirty. Yours might not be if you are better at pouring than me. But anywho, it has to be level. So you kind of shake it like this, and then tap it. It's kind of loud. Time to bake. Set a timer for 10 minutes and then check on them. Okay, it's time to check them. So, and And if you don't know how to check them, you get a toothpick and you just poke it in. If it does this, then it's fine, it's ready. But if you poke it in and it sticks, then it's not ready. Purple and red were done, and the rest need a little more time. I'm gonna give them 3 more minutes. Now all my cakes are done, as you can see. Now you wait for them to cool completely. This is a perfect time to make your frosting. Make sure it's just plain white, normal frosting, no colors or anything. Once the cakes are cool, you're gonna take them out of the pans like I did. And what you're gonna need is 2 plates, or as many ever plates as the little cookie cutter thing can fit. And that many jars, sprinkles, and the frosting you made they're cooling. And you're gonna cut out circles. So I'm gonna cut out 1 here. Whoa. And put it on the plate. And I'm gonna put another on the other plate. Then you're gonna put some frosting on top. This is kind of hard to squirt out. Come on. Oh no. Don't laugh. Now I'm gonna do my last one, which is purple. I'm gonna cut it out. Whoa. And put it on like this. And here's how you put the jar on it. You just get this, you just go like this. Then, whoa, go like that. And repeat for the other one.
Use the plate.
Now you're gonna frost the jar cakes. It doesn't matter how it looks. It will still be good. Okay. Loosen prettily.